you can see us from there, but we're eating dinner right now. Big news. Big news. Oh, sorry. No, don't fall back. I didn't mean to push y'all back. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You want to tell them or do you want me to tell them?
Me.
No, I want me to tell them.
Okay, you.
No, I want you to tell them.
Okay, I'll tell them.
I want to 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 tell them.
Do you even remember?
Yeah.
What was it?
We got 12 subscribers.
Dang it, she remembered. Yes, but yesterday when I was online, we only had 9. And then I went back, I looked, I saw some of these awesome, very awesome people. If you are not subscribed to me but not subscribed to them, go subscribe to them. Fusion Ball 550. I saw they had a new video up. I wanted to look. They reached their 100 subscribers. Yay. Well, 113 now. But we reached 12. We reached 12. High five. It's all because of you. Your cute face.
Yeah, because me.
Oh, yeah. That was spicy. No.
No, that turned rocket.
But I'm enjoying a nice dinner. She just finished her dinner. I'm eating pork chop and rice. Don't even say anything. This is not an average Tex-Mex dinner. Stop looking at me. It's mine. Y'all can't have none. It's mine. Y'all can't have none.
No, it's bad. I need to do something. Okay, there. There. Now better.
Aren't you going to talk to them?
Talking about what?
Anything, just speak. Speak, woman. Woman, I will threaten you. Don't you dare. I will threaten you with this pork chop until you speak. 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 Are you trying to eat my pork chop? We reached 12 subscribers.
Oh, I want to eat that. I'll eat this. I can have some.
They reached 12 subscribers. How many subscribers did Andy have?
I don't know. 0.
Maybe.
Look at it. Look at no, don't say anything.
Right now we're recording a video.
Bye.
Oh.
This is your first video appearance, Dylan.
No. I didn't see it.
The first video, get it on camera.
Yeah.
First video, you on camera. They can't see me, Angel.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I think so. Can you see us? I'm pretty sure he can't see us.
I'll check.
They can't see us. Can they see us?
I'll try. It's too dark.
Oh. So half the video. Okay, so 12 subscriber video was the. Okay. The 12 subscriber video was in the dark. My bad.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, you can't see Michelle.
Oh. Let's go back, Michelle.
You only see her arm. You can only see her arm.
Can you see now?
Okay.
Can y'all see us now?
I can see her.
We're sorry.
I can see both of you. No, me. She can't see me. I can see both of you.
He can see both of us now. Well,
Hey.
they can see both of us now. Oh.
It's very good.
I know, it's very good.
Hi. suck.
I do not suck. I did that with pride.
You suck.
How sure you are?
Not sure. I'm tall and I'm thin and I'm mean.
She's the tallest one in here.
She can reach her lightning that night.
I because that was lazy. Everyone please.
It's good.
What is your own food?
Okay, you be. This is actually for me. That's supposed to be right there. Ah!
Enjoy the view of us eating.
Enjoy!
What's that?
That sucks. That's what she said. Oh!
Whatever you say, you do. If you say she sucks, that means you suck.
You don't know what
I don't even know how you understand these shows.
Lee still can't see me.
That's just him. Just stop.
Yeah, I just saw. I can see both of you. They can see both.
We're gonna edit some of this food eating stuff out because it's gonna be a while.
You're gonna take 8 minutes.
Fail. Fail. Fail.
You want to see
Fail.
that?
Fail.
You want to see
Fail.
that?
Funny. Ha ha ha.
So,
Yeah, it's funny now.
hi.
Hi.
Ew! No.
Help! Help!
Got you, Angela.
Stop, you're gonna push the table over.
I know.
Okay, but
Boo!
if you manage to stay with us on this video for this long, I am surprised. We need to get all of us something. I forgot the name of it. It's a 4-letter word. It starts with L, ends with E. We need to all get some of those.
Yay.
And it has if in the middle. We need to get some of those. L in the beginning, E at the end, and if in the middle. We need to get some of those. Comment if you know what it is.
It's a nothing. Let's say excuse me at least.
Excuse me, and baby did it. No, I did not. Oh, that's what we should do. We should do burping.
Angela,
Like this? Oh, you know what? You want to be like that? I'm going to burp the ABCs. I forgot what came after B.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, W.
W. X. Y. Z. Now. I. O. I. A. No, excuse me.
I missed that one part. But you know what?
Excuse.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I hate myself now. But that was the end of this video, so.
Oh, not in this one. Not this
Where's the controller? What?
The controller's over here, but you gotta use Angela's batteries.
Well, I'm leaving pretty soon.
This is getting weird. We're ending the video now. Press that down, button. Okay, but like, comment,
Yippee.
subscribe if you enjoy burping girls. That's what this video is gonna be called.
It's not even on.
Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, if it's not on and we did all that for nothing, I will cry.
It is on, but just something's blocking.
Alright, so like, comment what that word means earlier in the video. Don't press it yet!
I know there's something.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 15! Let's get to 15 subscribers! Let's get to 15 subscribers. Please, I know we can do it. Come on, come on. Hurry, press the button quick! I don't want to go on the chat!